My toxic trait is thinking I can save these flowers. You love me too much,
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Zintle if you don't already know me, and I'm back with another video. Guys, on today's video, I'm vlogging again, and we are actually about to leave the house, but obviously I can't leave without talking to you guys and just reaching you back onto my channel. Welcome back to all those who have always been there, and to all of those who are new, welcome to my channel, and I hope you guys do enjoy this family and you subscribe and become a part of the Wednesday family. If you don't know, I post every Wednesday, also I try to post every Wednesday. So I am back this week with another video, and yeah guys, it's been the longest week of my life. I've been so exhausted, but I don't think that's gonna prevent me from having fun this weekend. So because I couldn't speak to you guys this morning, I feel like I should just explain what was going on. So I woke up with the intention of working out, right? As you guys saw from the previous clips, I was trying to exercise, but my body was just refusing, because I feel like I want to get back to working out, but it is so difficult. Like, if I didn't have to work out, I would definitely not do it. And the only reason why I want to do it is because of how you feel after working out. Also, I want that summer body, because this year I am going on vacation in December, so I need my body to be banging. So I'm gonna work on my body throughout this entire winter, hopefully. So yeah, I was just working out, and then I made some brunch, because we don't really eat breakfast because we wake up very late. I think that's one of the reasons why I couldn't work out, because I woke up so late, and I don't know why I decided to work out today. So me working out didn't work out. Excuse the pun. But also, how did you guys spend your Valentine's Day? How was it? Like, please comment down below. Let me know, how did you enjoy your Valentine's Day? I had a good one. But we were I decided to do something at home instead of us going out and stuff. So we did like a sip and paint, and I'm about to show you guys like our paintings from that day. I decided to make like a sip and paint, and then we gift each other the paintings. So let me quickly show you. Painting up. Come on. Okay guys, so these are our paintings from Valentine's Day. This is mine that I did that day, and this is Bay's painting. Kind of don't know what's going on here, but Utiena, I will not understand art, so help me understand, guys. Naba artistic, please let me know, what do you think? This was my first time actually painting, and I am so proud of how it looks. Like, I cannot believe it. So it looks so beautiful. So that's what we got up to in Valentine's Day, guys. But I was so happy. Like, we had a very, very beautiful day. Like, I didn't cook. I bought some food, and then I had like candlelights. I think I did delete some of the videos, but if I do get it, I'll just put a short clip for you guys just to see. Your girl is actually very romantic when she wants to. So yeah, that's what we got up to. And right now we're actually going to try out this go-karting spot that is not too far away from us. So yeah, I actually need to get going, so we'll talk when we get to that place, guys. I hope you guys are having a beautiful Saturday. And I need to go do my nails, guys. Nail Takeam is very, very booked. It's fully booked, I think, today and tomorrow. So I think I might cheat on her. I might look for another nail take, because this is not it. Like, it's It's not making sense. So I might cheat on her, but just this one time because it's an emergency. But anyway, guys, let me get going. I'll talk to you guys a little bit later on.
If I have screenshots.
Okay,
Yeah,
not a problem.
And then screenshot.
Okay, stop. So they did 18 laps and I just did 14. But next time I'm gonna beat him because what? But this was amazing. It was really fun, Nick.
Skirt all niggas, skirt up all niggas, skirt down, you acting like me, acting like we wasn't more than a summer fling. I said farewell, you took it well, promise I won't cry, bust the milk. Give me a paper towel, give me another value, give me another hour or two, hour with you. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you got a woman? Why you hit me when you know better? Know you know better, know you grew better than you do. Just call me looking for you, I'll be looking for you. Got me looking forward to weekends. Sure, baby, sure, baby, sure, baby. We do whatever we want, go wherever we want, love however we want, it don't matter. You do whatever I want, get whatever I want, get whatever I need, it's about love, 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 love. Long as we got love, love, long as we got. Should never give you my number, I did it with you. Should never let you hit it, I split it with you. I regret it, you got a fetish, you got a problem. Now it's a problem, oh no. Skirt on beaches, don't know these features. Think dirt on beaches, do it for fun. Don't take it personal, baby. Love on my ladies, love to my ladies. They did a few.
Why you bother me? Why you bother me? Why you bother me? Why you bother me? Last time I checked, you were the one that left me like my side of road. That's that most city, that side that you can't go around at night. You like to get me high, you know I know I'm Messiah. You like when I make fire, you say the flame can make you fire. Let me come inside you, let me plant that seed inside you. That's a distance, only thing
Good morning, everybody. It is a beautiful Sunday morning. I think the time right now is about 7 o'clock, which is making me very nervous because we are going to church, but we are going to the second service. So the first service starts at 8, so we decided to go to the second one, and not the late one, but the second one. So it starts at 10 o'clock. If you've been watching my channel for a long time, I did mention that we don't live too far away from the church that we go to. So I woke up and put our laundry into the washing machine because yesterday I couldn't do laundry because, for one, we woke up late. Two, we decided to go and test out the new go-karting spot, which was amazing, by the way. So I didn't have a chance to do laundry. I usually prefer doing it on weekends, like on Saturday, because I feel like it's better when you do it on Saturday, you know. But yeah, because I couldn't, I just did it today. And then I took some alkaline powder. It is very good for like your acid. It balances your acid basically in your body. And I feel like it helps because I like spicy food. I love spicy food. So my mom always says when uzobane ulcer because of spicy food. So, but she's not lying, because I feel like the way I eat spicy food, it's gonna cause some sort of problems to me, you know. It hasn't. I don't have any ulcers as of yet, but I feel like it could cause an issue. Obviously, also we drink alcohol and stuff, which causes a lot of acid as well. So the more acid you have in your stomach, it burns through your stomach lining, and then you start having ulcers and stuff, and all of that, heartburn, such things. So with alkaline powder, it actually helps balance the acid that you have in your stomach or in your body. I don't know. So I take it every morning before I eat. I don't know whether in the appetite, because honestly, since I've been drinking this thing, I don't really eat much. I don't. Like, I would literally eat once a day and then I feel like I'm good. And I don't know why. So, yeah, but then I drink it every morning before I eat anything. You need to take it. So I take it every morning and then wait 30 minutes before eating. I hardly eat after that, so I would eat very later on in the evening, or I would just snack with something, like eat chips or something. But I don't eat food during the day because my appetite is so bad. But anyway, guys, yeah, I am about to get ready for church now because I know I'm gonna take a long time. So I'm gonna get ready, and then after getting ready, we will talk. Oh, the noise that comes from outside is just ridiculous. The washing machine is not making it any easier for me to vlog. And I'm watching Police vlog. So I am done preparing for church. I just quickly want to show you my outfit because I am so obsessed with this dress. I feel like I should share. That's how I feel. I feel like I should share because, oh my gosh, it's an obsession. Also, guys, my skin is starting to skin. Obsessed, Kesana. Obsessed. Okay, let me quickly show you my outfit and then we're gonna get going. This is the dress that I'm wearing. Guys, my obsession with this dress is out of this world. Let me tell you. So I got this dress sometime last year in Pretoria Central in like a Indian store, right? In an Indian shop. Ever since, this has been my favorite dress. I'm in love with this dress. Yo, it's giving summer, man. It's giving summer. It's giving going out for some cocktails with your friends. Like, it's giving light vibes, you know. I am so sorry. Washing machine, if you're Angola, I'm so sorry, guys. And then I'm gonna wear these shoes, which I got from the Fix. These are so cute. With this dress, I feel like it's gonna give like some dollar. It's gonna give some dollar vibes. I'm also probably gonna wear a denim jacket. Put on a denim jacket because the weather is not looking too cute. Yeah, no, the weather is not good. It's a little bit cloudy, but it is warm. Pause. Okay, so it is cloudy, but also it's very warm. So I don't want to wear something that is going to be too hot for me. So I'll take the denim jacket, and then if I don't need it, then I'm not gonna put it on. If I need it, then yeah. So yeah, that is my outfit, guys. Like, I am so obsessed with this dress. I'm not quite sure if they still have these dresses. I'm not sure, but the name of the store is Ambassador for You, for all of those who want to go check Ubabanazo. But it's an Indian store. It's in Pretoria Central. Yo, they have beautiful dresses. Some clothes are not so nice. They look very but then Kuko is over. They're very nice. Let me get going because now we are running late. I'm sure we'll go 9:30, so we need to hit the road. So I'll talk to you guys when we come back from church. Okay, bye. Thank God we gonna eat foil. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. I wanna let you down, baby. Okay, guys, so we just came back from church and it was a good service. And then we went to Irene Links because I needed some roasted some roasting veggies. Because today I'm gonna make a whole meal of just vegetables. So they had like a special, is it a special or a sale? I don't know, but a special. You buy two packets of these roasted veggies. They charge you 55 rand. So I bought this one and this one. And then we got some pies. I'm not a huge fan of pie, but we didn't eat breakfast and we are quite hungry, and I'm not gonna wait for me to finish cooking before we eat something. And then I got some thyme, which I ran out of. And then I got some deodorant because mine is also finished. So yeah, I'm gonna start cooking. I just want to wash my hands and then I'm gonna start cooking. I'm also gonna make some mash. Yeah, I'm gonna make some mashed potatoes and then we're gonna eat it with some chicken and some roasted veggies. Yeah, and that's what we're having for dinner. Man, baby, money. Guys, I'm gonna close off today's video because today I actually want to finish editing this video so that I can post it and then it will go live on Wednesday. So I want to give myself some time to edit so that I can make sure that by Wednesday it will be ready for you guys to see. So I quickly want to show you the dinner that I made. I even made muffins curry. I was just so busy, and at the same time I was still editing. I was busy editing my video, and also I was just trying to edit into what do you call in some of the pictures. Ooh. And also I was trying to edit some of the pictures that I want to put on my Instagram that I took today. If you're not following me on Instagram, please do follow me at zinhle_ndali. So let me quickly show you the dinner that I made and then we close off today's video. I want to watch you guys. It came out last week. We couldn't watch it because we've been quite busy, but today is the day that I watch you because the new season 3, I think it's season 3, it came out. So I want to dedicate this day to editing, the rest of this day to editing and watching you. So let me quickly show you. Okay, so this is dinner. Everything is healthy. So we have our starch, which is mashed potato. It's a creamy mashed potato, and then I have my veggies. I think I overcooked them a little bit, but they taste amazing. And I have my sweet corn, because you know your girl is obsessed with sweet corn. And then we have protein, which is chicken. These are mainly for work because I don't have appetite to eat anymore. Like at breakfast, I can just take one muffin and have it with coffee at work as breakfast. So, and for Bay as well to have. Alright, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I had so much fun. This weekend was really just about laying back, relaxing. I had a hectic week last week, so it was just nice to have like a very relaxed weekend and just have fun. You know, I was just like in my element. Even today I want to sleep early so that I can wake up on Monday feeling refreshed and fresh and ready for the next week. So with that being said, my loves, thank you so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Most importantly, please do subscribe. We are very close to 1,000 subscribers and I'm quite excited. I cannot wait for us to reach 1,000 subbies. So please don't forget to subscribe. If you are watching this video till this part, clearly you do enjoy being here, so please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye. Guys, I forgot to show you the beverage of the week. We are having this white wine by Fat Bastard. This is an amazing wine. So we're gonna have it with dinner today. I showed you what we were drinking last week, so I thought, you know what, if I'm gonna show you what we are eating this Sunday, I might as well show you the beverage as well. So this is what we are having, and I cannot wait to indulge. So yeah.
What do you want?